Hi children, welcome. Today we are going to learn Shloka 5 and 6. Fifth Shloka Yatha yatha hi purushaha kalyane kurute manaha tatha tathasya sarvarthaha siddhyante natra samshayaha. Yatha yatha hi purushaha kalyane kurute manaha tatha tatha asya sarvarthaha siddhyante natra samshayaha. Here each and every word is individual only. Just you need to put the commas. Here tadha asya in this word, tadha asya in the place of avagra we are writing a, and here natra, this word also na plus atra natra dirgha sandhi. These two only, rest of the words individual words only. Kaviparichayah. This sloka is extracted from the lesson Sadhuvartanam. Padavibhagaha only tadha asya. Here in the place of a, avagra is there in the sloka. You need to write in the place of avagra a. Here natra dirgha sandhi is there. That one you need to divide na atra. Rest of the words individual words only. Just you put the commas for each and every word. Then anvaikramaha. Yatha yatha hi purushaha kalyane kurute manaha. Here this kurute is there now. This one you bring it to last. Manaha kurute. Here kurute came last. Tadha tadha asya sarvarthaha siddhyante. Atra na samshayaha. Here you bring it na here. Atra samshayaha na you can write, or else atra na samshayaha also you can write. Both are correct. Okay. The moral of this sloka is, if your mind is pure and you have good thoughts always, then success automatically approaches you. That means you will get success in your life. Okay. We will see the word meaning. Yatha yatha, in whatever the way. Yatha yatha means in whatever the way. He, indeed. Purushaha, purushaha means a person. Kalyane, in good deeds. That means in noble actions. Kurute means engage. Manaha, the mind. That means a person, the person whoever always engages himself in a noble actions or in good deeds. Tadha tadha, in that same way. Asya, of that person. Sarvarthaha, all the purposes. Siddhyante, are accomplished. That means he will get success. When one's mind and thought is pure and they are thinking always good things only, then if they are doing always good deeds, that means their actions are good, then automatically their purposes will be fulfilled. Okay. Na, not. Atra, here. Samshayaha, doubt. There is no doubt about it. Summary. Whenever a person directs his mind towards good and noble thoughts, all his purposes are accomplished. There is no doubt in this regard. That means if your mind is focused on good thoughts and actions, then success naturally follows you. A pure and positive mind leads to the fulfillment of all purposes. Understood? If we see the Vyakaranam, first word manaha, manasi, manamsi. This is Sakaranta Napunsakalinga Manas Shabdaroop. Manaha, Pradhama Bhakti Ekvachan Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi. Pradhama Ekvachan, Dvivachan and Bahuvachan. Okay. Na atra, natra, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Sarva Arthaha, Sarvarthaha. This is also Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Sixth sloka. Sulabhah purusha rajan satatam priyavadinah apriyasya tu pathyasya vakta shrota cha durlabhah. Sulabhah purushaha rajan satatam priyavadinah apriyasya tu pathyasya vakta shrota cha durlabhah. Division of this sloka is very easy. Here only we are keeping visarga after purusha. That's it. Rest of the words as it is you can write. Okay. Kaviparichayah. This sloka is extracted from the lesson Sadhuvartanam. Padavibhagaha. Here only Purusha word is in sloka. Here while writing we are keeping one visarga. Purushaha. That's it. Visarga sandhi. Except this word, all words, individual words only. Just you put the commas. Okay. Write the copy from the sloka and put the commas. Then Anvaikrama. This Rajan word is coming front. That means this is Sambodhana Vibhakti. Hey Rajan, hey King. Okay, addressing. So then Satatam Priyavadinaha. After this Satatam Priyavadinaha. Then Purushaha Sulabhaha. Here Satatam Priyavadinaha is coming first, and after that Purushaha Sulabhaha. Backwards we are coming. Then Apriyasya tu Pathyasya. Here as it is you can write Apriyasya Pathyasya Vakta Shrota cha Durlabhaha. Here first we are writing Rajan, then Satatam, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, then Purushaha 4, then this is 5. After this second line as it is you can copy, just remove the commas. The sloka is saying that in this world the people, those who speak pleasantly, are easily available. Okay, everybody will speak sweetly only, but it is very difficult to find out a speaker whose words are very harsh to hear, but those are beneficial advices for us. Such type of speaker and those who can accept such type of words, such type of listener, these two are very difficult to find out in this world. Okay, we will see the individual word meaning. Rajan, O king. Purushaha. Purushaha means people. Priyavadinaha. Priyavadinaha means those who speaks pleasantly, agreeable words. And Satatam, always. Sulabhaha, easily available. In this world, those who speak pleasantly are always easily available. Tu, but. Turlabhaha, rare or difficult to find. Shrota, listener. Cha, and Vakta. A speaker and listener are very difficult to find out. Which type of speaker and listener? Pathyasya, beneficial, means wholesome words. Apriyasya, which are unpleasant or harsh to hear. Such type of speaker and those who can listen such type of advices, beneficial advices, though those are harsh to hear, that type of listener are very rare in this world. Understood? Summary. O king, we usually come across people who speak sweet and pleasing words. But it is very difficult to find a person who speaks beneficial advice even when it sounds unpleasant. That means some people while speaking we feel that it is very harsh, but those are beneficial advices for us. But this type of advices nobody is ready to listen, right? And at the same time a listener who is ready to accept such advices is also very difficult. Vyakaranam. Apriyaha. Apriyaha means na priyaha. Nai tatpurusha samasaha. It is called nai tatpurusha samasaha. In the place of a, simply we are writing na. That's it. That is called nai tatpurusha samasaha. Next. Hey Rajan. Rajan word is there na. That one Sambodhana. Hey Rajan, Rajanav, Rajanaha. You can write Rajan, Rajanav, Rajanaha or Hey Rajan, Hey Rajanav. Hey, if you write it or not, it's not a big matter. It is Sambodhana. Sambodhana Vibhakti. Next, Purusha Rajan is there na. If you divide Purushaha Rajan, that is Visarga Sandhi. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.